just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. That work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on it. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
I have a 2016 F-150 here. This is the aluminum body one. This one got drugged on the side. It's getting a new fender, a new front door, which I have right here. I have to repair the rear door. It has light damage going all the way down the side of the rear door, and then it gets a new bedside. See, it tore it up really good right there. And I have the new bedside right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to first hang the new front door and get it lining up correctly so it lines up to the rear door. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the repairs on the rear door, little repair on the cab corner as well. And once I get the cab of the truck done, then I will go ahead and lift the bed off and do the bedside. These doors are nice because they actually have pins that they sit on. So the hinges are in 2 pieces and it actually sits on pins, which makes it real easy. And they give you a lot of adjustment with them as well. All right, so this door I need to kick it down and forward a little bit. So I'm gonna take this bottom hinge loose and let it drop like that just a little bit. I got this front door and the rear door both lining up good. I have a nice even gap. It's nice and flush going up and down. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the repairs on this rear door and the cab corner. All right, I got the cab part of this repair just about finished up, ready for primer. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab a couple guys and lift the bed off, put it on a bed dolly, and I'm gonna send the cab on up to our paint department so they can go ahead and prime up the cab and get it ready. And then by the time they get that ready, I'll be getting this bedside on. All right, this bedside is all ready to go on permanently this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay out my panel bond adhesive and I will sit this bedside on and get it rivet bonded and everything finished up. So I have a FJ Cruiser here. This one had a tree fall on it, or a limb of a tree recently in a storm we had, and it crushed the hood and it crushed this upper tie bar. This is a new one here. You can see this is all crushed right here. I'm gonna repair this pocket, but I'm gonna replace this upper tie bar. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut off and repair that apron piece in there, and I'll get the new upper tie bar put on. There it is.